agad.
Matik lang.
I got the ticket now. Alright, leave it.
Boracay, here we come.
My fifth time.
Ay, and my first time.
Ito yung laga. Ayan, yan. Yun.
Attention to all Cebu Pacific guests. Please keep your power banks in your personal pocket or please them in the safe pocket of
Selfie.
Selfie. For everyone's safety, you are not allowed in the overhead bins or under the seat. Using the power guns during the preparatory is strictly prohibited.
During boarding.
loob ng ating eroplano. Upang mapangalagaan ang privacy ng bawat isa, mangyari pong iwasan ang pagkuha ng litrato o ng video ng inyong kapwa pasahero at ng mga cabin crew na walang pahintulot. Maraming salamat po.
Boracay.
Welcome to Boracay. Welcome.